Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have a moisturizer. This is an homemade moisturizer. However, it's not your regular moisturizer. It's a moisturizer that is rich in vitamin A. And vitamin A is an antioxidant that will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, lift, tighten, and firm the skin, clear the skin of pigmentation. And once used on a regular, it will also help your skin to look younger and fresher. Now, I use this religiously on my skin. This is a homemade remedy that I personally make for myself and use it on my skin. Now, how I use this on my skin, I simply warm it in my hands like this, and then I just press it on my skin. Once I use this on my skin, I go to sleep and wake up in the morning with beautiful looking skin. So if you're looking for an anti-aging moisturizer that is going to help to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines, lift, tighten, and firm the skin, and keep your skin looking younger and fresher once used on a regular, follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share my personal recipe with you, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to get your face to look younger for longer. So let's go whip this up, and then I'll come back and share a live demonstration. Now take a look at my first ingredient. Here I have some shea butter, and shea butter is great for the skin. It helps to treat dry skin, eczema. It is also great for improving and relaxing skin muscles. It is good to clear up dark spots, skin discoloration. It's good for stretch marks. It's good for wrinkles and fine lines. It is also good for any form of blemishes on the face and also on the body. It is amazing for dry skin. A great ingredient to use in your homemade facial moisturizer. So I'm going to use about a tablespoon of the shea butter. Now just scoop this in. And the first thing I want to do is to melt the shea butter. You can melt it on a double boiler over some hot water, or you can melt it in the microwave. I'm just going to zap mine in the microwave. Now once your shea butter is melted, this is what it's going to look like. Make sure to get rid of any of the leftover shea butter. Totally melted. Now the first thing I'm going to add to this is some honey. Now honey will help to get rid of acne. It is good for hydrating the skin. It is also good for clearing pigmentation on the skin. It contains antibacterial properties, making it a good ingredient for this facial moisturizer. All we're using is about half a teaspoon of the honey. Pouring this in the hot shea butter, and we want to just totally dissolve the honey right away in the shea butter when it is still very much warm. So totally mix and mix well. Now once we have our honey and our shea butter, we're going to reach for some aloe vera gel. And aloe vera gel also will help to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. And it is also very hydrating. So I'm using a teaspoon, not a lot, just a teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is also good for sunburn. And mix this in. So right now we're mixing shea butter, we're mixing aloe vera gel, and we're mixing honey. Now we're going to add some anti-aging products to this. You're going to use oil of choice. My first oil is rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E. Rosehip oil will help to clear the skin of wrinkles and fine lines, lift, firm, and tighten, and hydrate the skin. I'm using about a half a teaspoon of the rosehip oil. If you do not have rosehip oil and you have cacao oil or even marula or squalene oil, go ahead and use it in this mixture. Now we are mixing shea butter, honey, aloe vera gel, and rosehip oil. You can stop here, or you can choose to add other favorite oils of yours. So for me, I'm adding one of my favorite anti-aging oil, and this is Khichi, which is rich in vitamin A, and vitamin A is retinol, and retinol will reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Use any of your favorite oil. Now this is very, very strong, so we don't need a lot. All we need is about 5 drops or so, or a quarter teaspoon. Pour this in. So now we have all the ingredients. We have shea butter, we have honey, we have aloe vera gel, we also have some rosehip oil and some Khichi oil. And now we are gonna whisk. If you have a whisk, you can whisk. If not, just fluff it up or pour it back in the blender. You can also choose to set this aside to cool, and once it is cool, then you whisk again, and it's gonna get even more creamier. And now let's reach for our storage container and let's pour this out. And take a look at this. Here you have your anti-aging facial moisturizer. Now this moisturizer is good to use directly on the skin, or you can use it on top of your facial toner or on top of your facial serum. It is good for the face, the neck, and the décolleté, and this is best used at night. So all you need from this is apply 2 to 3 drops of the oil on your skin, and you're going to massage it on the skin, your face, your neck, and your décolleté. Because we use the aloe vera in this, it's also very cooling on the skin. So apply at night on top of your facial toner, let it sit on the skin overnight. Upon arising in the morning, you rinse and just take care of your skin the way you normally do. Before long, you're on your way to smooth skin, clear skin, bright skin, younger, wrinkle-free looking skin. Perfect to use every day. Keep it on the countertop, no need to store in your refrigerator. And go ahead and make a new batch as soon as it is done. Within a week or 2, you should notice a significant difference to the skin. Your skin should look healthier, brighter, and also more radiant. Thank you all. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and also comment what is one thing more that you'd add to this recipe. Comment. And if this was the first time watching, don't leave without subscribing. So look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it, turn on post notification on your phone from YouTube, and you're on your way to getting my videos as soon as they are uploaded. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.